to, and I have a bunch of questions in regards of Neptun system. Could you help me, please?
Hello, yes, please. What is your question?
So basically, I found out that my course is being registered, but unfortunately, I'm unable to find my class schedule within the system.
Oh, it's very easy to find your schedule. Please log into your Neptun system and go to Studies, Class Schedule menu. Please click on it. And here you can find this little blue arrow. If you keep clicking on it, then you will see your classes here. For example, on Monday, you will have a Hungarian class. On Tuesday, you'll have an informatics class. And also you can see the time of your class and the room where your class will take place. Of course, now it's online education method at METU, so this information is not relevant at the moment, but in future semesters it will be an important information for you.
Oh, cool. That's very easy. Thank you.
You're
Also,
welcome.
I have another question regarding my tuition fee because I already activated my status, and I have seen that my tuition fee is still active, but I paid, and I also can prove it that I paid for it.
Yes, after you register for the semester, your tuition fee appears in the Neptun system in the Finances payment menu. But of course, as a freshman, you previously transferred your tuition fee, so you don't need to pay it now. It's just a technical issue. The financial office will settle your item in the Neptun system here. So when you see that its status is fulfilled, then it's all right.
So I don't have to do anything, and I just have to wait till it's been fulfilled.
Exactly. Yes.
Okay,
please.
that's great. Yes, the other question is that I have courses what I fulfilled during my previous studies, and is it possible to transfer these credits somehow, or is there any way how I can request it or prove it that I fulfill these courses, because I don't want to do them again, basically?
Yes, it can be possible. You just need to submit an electronic request form in the Neptun. Please go to Administration, Requests, and Available Request Forms. And here you can see all the requests that are available at METU, and you can find the relevant form.
Do I need to attach anything to this request?
In case you would like to transfer any subjects, then yes, you will need to attach the transcript of records and the syllabus of the subject that you completed before.
Is it necessary to have it in English or in Hungarian, or maybe I can have it in French because I'm coming from France?
We can accept only English or Hungarian documents.
Okay.
And also they need to be signed, and you need to have a stamp on it.
So basically an official documentation.
Yes, it should be an official document.
And also I paid for my Medicover. I know that's been fulfilled, but I have to go to the immigration office. Is it possible to somehow download that invoice of the insurance?
Yes, after the Medicover fee has been settled in the Neptun system, it generates an invoice which you can find in the Finances Invoices menu. And here you can see the date of the invoice, and you can open and download it in a PDF format.
Okay, that's great. Thanks very much for your help.
You're welcome. Thanks you for calling.